just came out from the airport and right now we're back in Vietnam for another 6 days adventure. But our first stop is in Ho Chi Minh City, and then after that we will move to Da Nang and Hoi An. So come with us once again, and I hope you will enjoy this video.
It doesn't matter who you are or what.
Wow, look at that. We're going to stay here in Umi for 3 days. So, here's the city view, and there's this lovely chair. Okay.
It's a free ride, get 'em both. Oh yeah, we'll be dancing from dusk till dawn, fucking up to keep the beat all night. Now you got it. Ooh, there's no stopping us now.
Hello there! It's our first day here in Ho Chi Minh City, and right now we are in Tao Dan Park. So this one is just around 2-minute walk from our hotel. But first, we're going to have breakfast, and then after that, we'll go to our main agendas for today.
Then until the morning light. Choo choo. Choo choo. Choo choo.
I'm an expert at overthinking things that I shouldn't. You come across as a cool guy, someone is the opposite. And all my friends are leaving, but I wanna stay. Can we just stay? Maybe just one more drink. I can't help but think, where have you been? All my life, all the lonely nights. Your way, and I've seen every ocean, but I've never seen a color blue. Look into your eyes. Blue. When I'm nervous, I talk too much and overshare things. Yeah, I can be a fucking mess, but you somehow like me for me. And all your friends are wasted. You wanna stay here? Oh, we should just stay here. Maybe just for one more drink. I can't help but think, where have you been? All my life, all the lonely nights. You were always there at the same damn bar. I just never looked your way. And I've seen every ocean, but I've never seen a color blue. Look into your eyes.
It's 200 only.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Where have you been? All my life, all the lonely nights. You were always there at the same damn bar. Just never.
Behind me is is the famous Notre Chapel here in Saigon City. However, it is currently closed right now because it is under construction since year 2023 and it is expected to last until year 2027. But just across it, there is the Saigon Post Office and the Book Street, and currently we are here right now just chilling and waiting for the time of the opera. From Hanoi Opera House after watching AO show. Super ganda and super highly recommended ito. It's one of the best shows na napanood ko sa buong buhay ko. Sadly, wala akong makitang proof sa inyo kasi bawal mag-cellphone or video inside. But once you're here in Ho Chi Minh, don't forget to book this show. I booked this in Klook for around 1,000 pesos lang, 1,000 plus. Pinili ko yung standard seat lang, pero super sulit naman when in terms of dun sa kitang-kita yung stage. Wala na akong masabi pa, pero super highly recommended ko itong show na to.
Tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I'll miss you. I'll miss you if you go. Yes, I'm gonna let you know just how much I tell your mama, I tell your papa too. Gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too. I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna tell you that I need you every day. You'll get weary of my touch. That's how much I'm gonna tell you. I wanna let you know, oh, you're the only one for me, no one else. I'm gonna shout it out, yeah, up on the mountain. I'm gonna let everyone.
We check from the local farm, but it's still rough. Next step we polishing.
Deep inside, yeah, that really makes me wanna speak my mind, yeah, yeah. I'm gonna show you that I love you 100 times a day, yeah.
Hold on, I'm straight up. Bye bye.
Can we leave there?
What are you doing, man? Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah, can we leave her there?
Yeah.
Hey, you're the only one I need, no one else. I tell your friends,
claustrophobia, asthma, heart symptom, or bad names, don't go because traffic jam. Maybe go happy lot, okay? Maybe go happy lot. Otherwise, like, traffic jam,
It's day 2 of our Ho Chi Minh adventure, and the first stop is here in Chuchit Tunnels. Sorry for my background noise since few meters away from me is the shooting range. So fun fact lang, at least 40,000 men and women died during the Vietnam War protecting these Chuchit tunnels. We tried yung mga tunnels nila, yung mga booby trap, and we saw some remnants during the war. And nag-try ko pumasok sa isang tunnel pero hindi maganda yung pagkakababa ko. Kaya nasugat ako. I have some abrasions here. Pero sugat lang kasi not everyone can fit inside the tunnel. Parang ako lang yung sa tour ang kayang pumasok nito.
So, warm welcome to Mekong Delta, one of the city down here. This one we put NY to the next one. So, Vincom being the last stop of the Mekong River. Do you want to try?
No. How about you? Have you tasted it?
Yeah, for sure. Take either one of those fruit, you dip it into this salt and chili. You have to push it down as well when you do it.
There's a blade down.
Yeah. Well, not really. It's like a stone grinder. It's meant for smashing, not like cutting. Peanut, banana, and ginger, but like because a lot of ginger, pretty good to like warm.
After a quick wash up and leaving our bags in our hotel, we're walking towards Ho Chi Minh Night Market. We're skipping Michelin right now because we're craving for street food here in Ho Chi Minh. So it's approximately 20 minutes from our hotel, so we're walking towards it right now, and I'm so excited to eat street food once again here in Vietnam.
My darling, remedies lost, my darling. Boundaries are crossed, my darling. You're a little too late. You got one or two things you need to contemplate. Now you come around, you knock on my door. I don't even know what I'm looking for. Asking me, baby, oh, please think twice. Come on, everybody.
Coconut coffee, Saigon coffee, and the last one, yeah, the last is Canadian coffee. And Arabica, zero, robusta, and this is cooling. C-U-L-I.
This ain't getting through. Tell me something never heard before. 'Cause
Is this good?
baby, you'll just see me roll my eyes. So my darling, ooh,
This is a real house.
This house. Oh, they are now.
Okay.
He's a soldier.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You weren't here when I was around, running round all over town, thinking that I would be waiting at home. Oh, honey, no, honey, I ain't been your stepping stone, my darling. Oh, oh, oh. I hear you need my love, but it just ain't here no more, no more, no more. Oh, no more for you. Oh, my darling. I hear you need my love, but I just ain't here no more. No more, no more love.